Hello and welcome to Sports Vehicle Performance, where decades of motorsport experience meet real-world car ownership.
We're not just enthusiasts, we're all former race technicians who've worked at the sharp end of motorsport, whether that's Mitsubishi World Rally Team, Silk Cut, Jaguar Le Mans, or even British Touring Car Championship. Not forgetting Williams Formula One.
And many years at SVP spent building and running Porsche classic race cars. Some of these include Daytona cars, such as 996 Cup cars and 997 RSRs, all the way to Le Mans legends with our very own FIA historic 934s and 935s, and even to the modern era running 718 GT4 Caymans in the Sprint Challenge series.
But it's not just Porsche, we've got the same passion and precision for all sorts of performance icons, whether that's a Mitsubishi Evo, Lancia Delta Integrale, Peugeot 205 GTI, we've got the passion and skills for it all.
We also work with some of the finest brands in the market, whether this includes Aston Martin, Jaguar and other finest performance vehicles. Whether it's German Precision, Italian Flair or Group A DNA, we understand how these cars work and the expert touch required.
Today, we bring all that experience to our Worcestershire-based workshop here in Inkbarrow, where we focus mainly on one of the greatest brands of all, Porsche.
On this channel, you'll find honest, helpful buyer's guides, deep dives into performance classics, all sorts of talking when it comes to advice on Porsche engines, and not even just Porsche, but other performance vehicles, and anything that you are looking to modify and potentially fix or resurrect issues on your performance vehicle.
Whether you're here for a Porsche 911, Yaris GR, Mitsubishi Evo, we can cater for it all. You're in the right place to ask for advice, knowledge, or anything you may want to know.
So subscribe and join us as we share our knowledge, not only from the pit lane, but also many years working hands-on on Porsches and performance cars here at SVP.